Hi friends, welcome to Sheila's Kitchen Taste. Look at this yummy looking dal khichdi. This is a one pot meal recipe which tastes super delicious, and for that we will require 1.5 cup of rice. 1 cup of rice this I have taken. Then I'll take about 1/4 cup of masoor dal, 1/4 cup of tuar dal and half cup of splitted moong dal, and the remaining half cup of rice. I will wash this all thoroughly and soak it for about half an hour. After soaking it for half an hour, put it in a pressure pan and add some water to adjust the consistency of cooking. Then add 1 cinnamon stick, few cloves, 1 bay leaf, some haldi powder, salt to taste, and some oil, and give it a good mix. The oil is added so that it doesn't come out of the pressure pan. Let it cook till soft. For the tempering, in a vessel, heat about 2 spoons of ghee along with little oil. Once heated, add few peppercorns to it, 1 teaspoon of rye, 1 teaspoon of jeera, crushed ginger and garlic 1 teaspoon, green chilies and curry leaves, and saute this well. Then add 1/4 spoon of hing to it and add about 2 medium chopped onions. Saute this well. Add some salt so that the onion cooks faster. Once sauteed well, add some haldi powder and red chili powder according to taste, and the dhania jeera powder as required for the quantity of khichdi, and some garam masala. Give this all a good mix, and here I have taken about 4 tomatoes and I have made puree out of it, and that we will be adding to the onion mixture. Saute this all well till this mixture releases some oil. You can see that the oil is released from the mixture. Now the khichdi that we had cooked has to be added to this mixture. Mix all this well. Put salt if required and some water to adjust the consistency of the khichdi, and lime juice to enhance the taste of the khichdi, and mix this well and cover and keep it for about few minutes to cook. Once cooked, add a spoon of kasuri methi to it and give this all a good mix. The khichdi is ready. Now we will temper it from top. So remove it in a bowl, and for the tempering, heat about 1 spoon of ghee. Once heated, add 3 cloves of garlic pieces into it. Once it turns brown, add curry leaves and 1 whole red chili and little red chili powder. Mix it well and put the tempering over the khichdi. This khichdi is ready to be served. It looks delicious, isn't it? It even tastes delicious. Garnish it with some coriander leaves and serve it with some salad and curd. Do try this recipe. It is a super yummy recipe, especially for the winters.